everybody. This is Wednesday, I think the 15th, 14th. Well, this is the last video in my bucket series, I guess, except I'm going to rework the pins. Let's put some temporary half-inch bolts in here. And the pins fit good, but what I want to do is put grease hooks in them. And I want to put keepers on the end. So anyway, I'll ask the question, what did I get out of 4 years of high school mechanical drawing classes and 3.5 years of mechanical engineering in college? Well, I didn't get the degree in engineering, but it served me my entire life in the house moving business and the seawall business. Showing you my old tractor running, 8 and 4. I gotta paint this blade yet. Oh, I guess that'll be coming someday. I'm tired. Well, it only took about an hour to get the bucket on. Everything lined up perfectly. As you can see, I don't have the right pins in here, but I have checked the holes. I've mic'd everything out. They fit very precisely. This is a bucket that my son got me over in Grand Rapids for $250. I had to rebuild the pin box locations down here on the bottom and put that piece of angle on there and some other stuff. And the top pin positions were fine. Then I had to cut off the old center mount cylinder position right here. I did cut it all out because I was a little worried about weakening the bucket. So there we are. That's it. Maybe I'll show you a little video of the lifting. That, and I am very happy. Well, I guess I'll call that video good for here. See everybody later. Bye.